Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Friday 22 of April. And yes, we do have a little bit of a trouble right here right now. So it seems like Bitcoin was never really interested to hold this line. Do you see that? So we are actually kind of making a move to the upside, and then all of a sudden it actually happened that Bitcoin at this point of time actually did went up, and they started to actually push the prices to the downside, by the way, and that's actually not a very good thing to look after.
Who was that bitch you were with yesterday?
Wait, what? Siri, you cannot really say that, okay? I'm actually doing something very serious. Never do that again. And I think you just got an attitude right now. What the hell? Do you want me to actually break you off?
No, you got an attitude.
Seriously. So you will talk, okay? I think you're gonna talk back. Do not talk when I'm actually trying to put a new update out there.
I will talk. I don't give a shit.
Oh my freaking goodness, Siri. You are being so dumb right now. Do you even know what happened to the Apple stocks right now? Okay, you want to have a beef with me right now? Right, so let's do this. Look at the Apple. Look at the Apple right now. It's actually down. It's down even the way Bitcoin is actually going down. Look at this. It's having some red candles right over here. Red candles. What are you even doing? Are you actually even paying attention to your job or what? All you gotta do for this one is actually go and learn how to trade, Siri. Right, don't hit me up with that Australian accent again, okay?
Shut up, Adam Coins. I love your course though.
So you're gonna actually sound very kinky with that Australian accent. Yeah, so do check it out, okay? Do check it out. And next time, I just want you not to have any beef with me. Or if you wanna have beef with me, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
I just wanna have an apple with you.
That's really nice. Okay, so yeah, going back into the Bitcoin update, guys, do check the course out, by the way, just as Siri is telling you. She loves my course, by the way. And yeah, to pay with 29 bucks, you can actually join the Discord and message me on the Discord as well. So here we are, and the Bitcoin prices are actually going to be a little bit bad, okay? So there are some things that I want to talk about as well before I actually go into the technical part of it. You see, historically, I came to notice one thing based on trading, okay? Or if you're a day trader, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays are actually the three best days to trade. TWT, okay? Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. These are one of the best days that you can actually trade Bitcoin, and they actually do give you some nice good setups. Why? During the weekends, all the news, people are actually having holidays during the weekends and they want to trade. So during the weekends, Bitcoin tends to dump to the downside, okay? And once the news is absorbed all over the world, Monday actually makes false move, okay? So Mondays actually can make a false dump to the downside. So combining all of these days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, they actually form a structure that actually gives Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays a very good outlook to what the market can be in the next coming days. That's when the market is actually not fighting with anyone. So continuing on with the charts, we did see this candle go into the upside. I actually did close my trades even in the signal groups as well, and from here you're making some sort of an evening star, which is actually not a very good candlestick. So once you're losing this level, it's actually possible for Bitcoin to really go deeper. If I dive into the 4-hour time frame, you can already see here, this is what you have. These are the three black rows already. So what I'm gonna take is this lowest part here, this impulsive move to the upside, 39,000 all the way to 42,755. We were very near to this technical target, but you just ran a little bit short of that technical target. It's like you almost met the technical target that I gave you today or in yesterday's update. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bottom from here to all the way to the top right there, and from here right now you can already see we are trying to actually hold the 0.618, the golden ratio. So if you start to lose this level and you start to actually close below 40,168, and weekend is actually approaching, so it's possible that you actually lose it and you might be looking for a deeper retracement down to these levels. And these are levels that actually Bitcoin might be interested to actually retest before it goes to the upside. Do you understand that? It could make a bottom right down at the 36 levels before going to the upside. But given that you actually close below 40,168, close below it, backtest and fail, and you go down, you do have 3 black crows, which is not really good. Okay, so do keep attention to this one, and I don't think anytime soon we're gonna go back into the triangle. We failed it. We actually didn't hold the level that we're supposed to be holding, and then from here the technical target that was given was already nearly met, and that's the end of it. Okay, and what response did we have from the market? Downside. Okay, so spiral to each direction to the downside. So whatever happens, it's going to play out in the weekend, during maybe today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. So it's going to take a little bit of like 2-3 days, and then after that we're going to see what happens with Bitcoin until Tuesday potentially, which is going to be a good day to trade. And by the way, do check this course out, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.